Welcome to AI News Today, your daily AI news update for March 22nd, 2026. Stay tuned for today's top stories in artificial intelligence. Breaking news: Wall Street isn't buying Nvidia's latest AI vision. Here's what you need to know today. Are AI tokens the new signing bonus or just a cost of doing business? This represents a fundamental shift in how tech companies compensate engineers in the AI era. While tokens could become a fourth pillar of compensation alongside salary, equity, and bonuses, engineers need to carefully evaluate whether this represents genuine value or just cost shifting. The concern is that companies might use token allocations to reduce traditional compensation packages while appearing innovative. Publisher pulls horror novel Shy Girl over AI concerns. Hachette's decision to cancel publication of Shy Girl highlights the growing tension between AI-assisted creation and traditional publishing standards. This case raises important questions about disclosure requirements and quality standards for AI-generated content in creative industries. The publishing industry is clearly establishing boundaries around what constitutes acceptable use of AI tools in literary creation. Why Wall Street wasn't won over by Nvidia's big conference. Despite Nvidia's impressive technological demonstrations, investor skepticism about AI bubble risks persists in financial markets. The industry's confidence in continued growth contrasts with Wall Street's more cautious assessment of sustainability and valuation concerns. This disconnect suggests that while technological progress continues, market expectations have become more tempered and realistic about growth trajectories. New court filing reveals Pentagon told Anthropic the two sides were nearly aligned, a week after Trump declared the relationship kaput. This legal development reveals significant contradictions between public political statements and ongoing government AI company negotiations. Anthropic's sworn declarations challenging the Pentagon's national security risk assessment indicate deep disagreements about AI safety standards. The timing discrepancy suggests complex behind-the-scenes discussions continuing despite public relationship breakdown announcements. Microsoft rolls back some of its Copilot AI bloat on Windows. Microsoft's decision to reduce Copilot entry points represents a significant user experience course correction after initial over-integration. Starting with Photos, Widgets, and Notepad, this rollback acknowledges that excessive AI features can degrade rather than enhance productivity. This move suggests a maturing approach to AI integration, focusing on quality over quantity of AI touchpoints in operating systems. Conclusion and key takeaways. Today's stories reveal an AI industry at a crossroads, from compensation models to government relations, from market perceptions to product design. The common thread is increasing sophistication in how we integrate AI into existing systems, with more thoughtful consideration of practical implementation over hype. Don't forget, if you found this AI News Roundup valuable, hit like and subscribe for daily updates. Share your thoughts in the comments about which development will have the biggest impact on the AI landscape.